Living outside the big city has many attractions, but it probably means being on a septic system. It won't cause you problems, though, if you maintain it properly. Bioactive Septic Tank Treatment is a premium monthly treatment that keeps your system functioning by filling it with billions of natural bacteria and enzymes. In a septic system, bacteria are not only good, they are essential, because they break down solids. Without this process, your system can get backed up, and that's a big, costly problem. We accidentally kill off our system's natural bacteria with household cleaners and disinfectants, so we need to reintroduce healthy, beneficial bacteria with a monthly treatment. Just drop one packet into your toilet and flush. You can see in this lab test how effective Bioactive is at dissolving solids. One dose treats a septic tank of up to 1,500 gallons. Use it once a month for best results. Each bag is a 1-year supply of treatments. Our packaging is recyclable, so when you're done with the bag, drop it off at a plastic bag recycling bin. Septic system problems are a pain, but you can avoid them when you use Bioactive Septic Tank Treatment. For more information on Bioactive or any of Walex's other sanitation products, check out our website or follow us on Instagram.